It's the battle of email marketing platforms. Omnisend versus Moosend. Two big names, but which one really delivers? On the left, Omnisend, the e-commerce first automation powerhouse. And on the right, Moosend, affordable, simple email campaigns. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into the real facts. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which platform takes the crown. The winner just might surprise you.
Okay, quick roadmap of what's ahead. We're diving into 8 big categories: pricing, automation features, integrations, reporting and analytics, UX and usability, customer support, interactive and transactional emails, and popularity and user feedback. So yeah, pretty thorough. First up, pricing. So Omnisend does offer a free plan, which is cool. And honestly, if you're in e-commerce, you'd find the value solid, especially with all their bells and whistles. But the starting price, yeah, it's a bit higher. Some of the really juicy features are locked behind more expensive tiers. Now, Moosend, their cheapest paid plan, kicks off at just $9 a month. And let me tell you, you get unlimited sends and automation regardless of what tier you're on. Downside, there's no free plan, so you've got to pony up from day one. But hey, it's hard to beat that price. The winner here, Moosend definitely takes it for affordability. Automation features. This is where things get interesting. Omnisend is totally stacked. Multi-channel automation, super personalized flows, e-commerce triggers for abandoned carts, and all that. But you do need your store connected, and it's not the easiest thing for total email newbies. Moosend? It makes automation setup painless. Less stuff to trip over, and their deliverability rates are solid, but it's nowhere near as advanced. Logic options are kind of basic, personalization is limited, and for pure e-commerce magic, it's just not Omnisend level. Clearly, Omnisend wins the automation battle. On to integrations. Omnisend supports over 80 connections, big names like Shopify and WooCommerce, so it's pretty much built for stores. Moosend has a slight edge on the raw number with 85 plus integrations, and it hooks up with all your typical website and landing page builders. Thing is, a bunch of Moosend's integrations are kind of basic. And if you're all about deep e-commerce stuff, you'd feel those limits. Honestly, both are solid, but if we're counting depth versus breadth, it's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Moosend's mascot is a blue cow? Yeah, really. It's kind of their whole vibe. Friendly, approachable, makes email marketing less scary. Not exactly essential, but hey, it's memorable. Now, reporting and analytics. Omnisend shines here. Their dashboard links your campaign to actual sales, so you can flex about your ROI, get real performance data, and even break down your customer lifecycle for snazzy segmentation. Yeah, but the caveat is it's super e-commerce focused. Moosend keeps it simple. You get all the usual open and click stats, good deliverability data, but there's no sales dashboard, and you won't find a full marketing funnel breakdown. So the clear winner for analytics? Omnisend. Let's talk UX and usability. Omnisend's campaign builder is friendly. For beginners, you'll set up fast. And their custom templates and shoppable emails are slick. But full features demand you hook up your store. And honestly, some advanced stuff is a bit clunky. Moosend, it really nails ease of use. The navigation? Ridiculously simple. Newsletter creation is a breeze. Even if their email builder could use a shine-up, and you might hit a glitch once in a while. Still, for pure ease, Moosend comes out ahead. Customer support. Omnisend offers email and in-app help, and honestly, their team feels dedicated. And hey, plenty of help articles, but yeah, no phone support. With Moosend, you've got live chat, a knowledge base, and pretty handy video tutorials, but same deal. No phone support, and their team is a bit smaller. It's one of those classic toss-ups, so gotta call it a tie. Moving on. Interactive and transactional emails. Omnisend pulls out all the stops. Sign-up forms, SMS, push notifications, dynamic product pickers, and even unique discount codes. Sadly, no transactional email support, but you get a ton of fun stuff for audience engagement. Moosend, you've got sign-up forms, plus basic landing pages, but no fancy AMP emails, and nothing for transactional sends. Omnisend definitely wins, hands down. Last category, popularity and user feedback. Omnisend's support team gets big thumbs up for being kind and helpful, and campaign setup is lightning fast. But the reviews are kind of mixed. Maybe a few more haters in there. Moosend, almost every recent user review is glowing. Like, we're talking perfect 5-star scores for 2025.
even if there aren't a bazillion reviews out there. So, for sheer user love, Moosend takes the cake.
All right, here's a quick at-a-glance radar chart that shows you exactly how each platform measures up across all the categories. Pros, cons, and standout quirks all mapped out. You can see Omnisend dominating in automation, analytics, and interactivity, while Moosend shines for price, simplicity, and user scores. So, you know what? If you want serious automation and full channel action, especially if you're in e-commerce and want every sale tracked, Omnisend is your powerhouse. But if you're just starting out, need affordable campaigns, or just want email without the fuss, Moosend is perfect. Fast, simple, no headaches. It really depends on your business size and needs.
Enjoyed this face-off? Make sure to hit subscribe for more deep dives on marketing tech. There's loads more like this coming up.